panicky than probably the teams. Okay, so Satyajit sir announced earlier that there are prizes for the teams that have finished 7th, 8th, 9th and 10th as well. Thanks to our lovely sponsors. So I will call upon the near misses, the close shaves, the almost theirs. Don't be too disheartened. So at 10th place was from Durgapur Steel Plant, Mr. A. Kumar and Mr. P. Mitra. Please come up. Are you here? Congratulations, you finished 10th out of 66 teams. That's a fair bit of achievement. No less. Yeah? Please come up, sir. Come on, they deserve a round of applause. They finished 10th out of 66 teams. That's a huge achievement. Certainly. Well done, very well done. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you again next year. Okay, the team that finished 9th from Bokaro Steel Plant, Debabrata Chaudhary and Rajiv Gautam. Congratulations. A team that has done very well in this quiz the past 2-3 years that I've been here. Okay. At 8th place is the team from Bokaro Steel Plant, Mr. S.W. Kiskota and Mr. Anand Raj. You finished 8th. Congratulations. Congratulations. Okay. So we did a tiebreaker. There were 2 teams that I called on stage. And I asked them one question, nobody could answer except that gentleman from the audience, he answered that. Then I asked another question. I asked about a government entity opening their first ATM in 2014 in Chennai. The correct answer, one of the teams did give me an answer, but the correct answer was India Post. So the team that has finished 7th is the team from Capgemini, Mr. Ravi Shankar Saha and Mr. Betu Madhavan. Please give them a round of applause. Missed out on the tiebreaker by a whisker. Probably it was the nerves more than the brains. I'm sure they knew it. Well done, I respect it. Very, very well done. Please let the applause continue. These prizes are sponsored by Siemens. Okay, thank you sir. Thank you. We'll start with the finals now. You're a seasoned quizzer. How can I let you go without knowing the answers? Okay. So I have identified 6 teams that have qualified. The cutoff was fairly high. It was 17 plus 1. Okay. So with a lot of tiebreakers in it. Okay. So here are the qualifiers. First team to qualify in no particular order is Mr. Sanjay Shamkumar and Mr. Manoj Kumar Prasad from Bhilai Steel Plant. Please come up, please pick a chip. Congratulations. The next team to qualify, Mr. K. Suresh and Mr. Deepak Taneja, old timers at this quiz from Indian Oil. Who's the lucky mascot? Amongst the 2 of you. Pehle aap. Okay. Your table 5, please. Regulars at table 5, is it? Regulars at table 5. Okay, let's move on. The next team to qualify. Mr. S.S. Panda and Mr. Sampath Mishra, again another team that is fairly familiar with the stage of this quiz from Rourkela Steel Plant. Table 4. Okay, 3 down, 3 more to go. Who's the next team? So J. Rahul and AGK Murthy from RINL. First time at this quiz? Okay. First time lucky. And number 1. Okay. Too many ones there. 2 more teams to go. Who's the 5th team? Mr. Devajit Prabha and Ravi Banjare. From Raurkela Steel Plant. Debut at this quiz? No? Okay, have you come here before? Yeah, would you like to scare everyone else? What was your position first 2-3 times? They were the champions first 3 times. Alright, so the team qualifies again and takes table 6. Missed out last time. Yeah, missed out last time. By a whisker or by a long margin? Some margin, okay. Good things comes to those who wait. Last team to qualify. Ladies and gentlemen, so Fazal Mahmood and Rishikant Gupta qualified in the tiebreakers from Bokaro Steel Plant. Congratulations. That was a very good answer. You want to pick a chip? Please. Okay, so now these are the 16 that have qualified. For those of you who haven't qualified, your show is not over. I'm not talking about lunch. वो सब तो है ही. What I'm talking about, there's an audience crossword also that we're playing. I would request Sir Shimanji, if you could please distribute the audience crossword. So I'll tell you how this works. The questions that I will ask on the screen, some of those questions have links associated with the crossword. You will see as and when the... This is for the best audience award. You see the sponsors, you can keep on thanking them. Okay? I'm not done thanking them enough. So like I said, whatever questions appear on the screen, you have an opportunity to play them parallelly. Okay? They're not exactly the same questions that appear on screen. Assuming a question on screen appears on Sachin Tendulkar, I will ask you a question related to say maybe Ajit Tendulkar. Something like that. Okay, but related to whatever is happening on the screen. So that you stay till the very end and have a crack at the best audience. Okay?
My name is Rahul and he is Murthy. We both work for RINL.
And when not occupied by RINL related work, what do you do? How do you keep yourself busy? You keep preparing for quizzes?
Nothing will follow.
Yeah. Okay. Both of you? You work in tandem together or on your own, in your own silos? On your own. And somehow complement each other's skills? Okay, very good. This is team 1. You from RINL. Please welcome them. One final time. Okay, moving across, team B.
Hello everybody, I am Manoj from Bhilai Steel Plant and I generally pass my spare time reading newspapers and magazines. My partner.
Magazines, what kind of magazines do you read?
Mostly business.
No, not Mad Magazine. What business? Okay.
I am Sanjay, I am from Bhilai Steel Plant and my passion is watching sports, live sporting events.
Watching sports? As
Live
as in stadiums?
No,
You travel around?
on TV.
On television? Okay. What is your favorite sport that you watch?
Tennis, football, cricket.
Awaiting the Wimbledon?
Yeah.
Now hoping for Joker to win this time? Again? No? Or again Stan to
I'm a
do
huge Federer fan, so I would like
You
to
want Stan the man? Oh, you want his countryman? Okay. RF. Right. Let's move on. Team 3.
Good morning everyone, I am Fazal Mahmood, I am assistant manager at Bokaro Steel Plant. My passions are quizzing and apart from that sports, particularly badminton and cricket.
Do you play to watch? Play. Okay. Nice. Moving across. Who's your friend?
Hi, this is Rishi Gupta, and apart from duty and all, I love hanging out with my friends, and that's pretty much I do.
Just hang out with friends.
Yes.
Online, offline as well.
Online, offline.
Okay. Google Hangouts. That's what you mean. Okay. This is you. You coming here for the first time as well? Yeah. First time. First time. Or you come here before? First time on stage. So first timers this side. The old timers that side. Let's move on. Team D.
I'm SS Panda from RSP, and I spend my leisure time basically traveling and reading business journals.
Okay.
Hi all, this is Sampal Mishra. My favorite pastime is really to watching movies and playing computer games.
What kind?
Like FPS games.
Are you into Twitch TV as well? Watching
Not
others?
Twitch, not that, yeah, not that.
No, not that crazy.
Not that great.
Not
Maybe-
yet. Maybe
no,
soon.
Due to bandwidth issues and all.
Issues.
Hello,
Your HR etc. people here.
I
Are
really
you
like.
present in this auditorium? Is there that an indirect complaint to them?
I react.
Okay. Very good. Moving on. Team 5.
Hello, I am Suresh. I am working as a chief manager in business development Delhi. In my spare time, apart from quizzing, like I told 2 years ago, I still play with my daughter and sometimes do crosswords.
Except you play slightly older games now that she's 2 years older.
Probably this will be the last year.
Okay.
She will be entering the teens, so Papa won't know anything.
So teenager,
Papa knows best, Papa knows nothing is not the point.
cranky teenager years away. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Deepak Taneja, working as Senior Manager Corporate Communications in Indian Oil Corporation Corporate Office. And apart from a bit of reading magazines, as I said 2 years earlier, I'm still a foodie, and I search for different food blogs.
What's your favorite one? What's your favorite food blog?
Zomato.
Oh, Zomato.
Zomato. And there's one in Gurgaon called yumraj.com.
Yeah.
How you doing? It's a very good thing.
Nice.
In fact, it has helped me discover some new things which I never knew about Delhi.
Okay, that's nice. That's team 5 for you, Indian Oil. Moving across to team F.
This is the Ravi Manjare from Rourkela Steel Plant, and apart from quizzing, I like swimming.
Anything that you picked up over the last year? New? Something new that you picked up because you already know whatever you said last year. But have you picked up something else this one?
I am trying it my hand at guitar.
At guitar, okay. So
Guitar.
Guitar comes from there, yeah? Maybe I'll hear more about it. Yes, sir.
Hi, good morning to all of you, and I'm Devojit Rava. In my pastime, I do play the guitar. We have a band in Rourkela. I play the guitar and sing also sometimes, given the chance. And also, I love to read children's books that I give to my children after they have finished reading them. Roald Dahl is my favorite.
Reuse, recycle, etc. And of course, coaching guitar, no? Learning guitar, coaching guitar. I remember
Learning from somebody else.
guitar last year. Alright, so these are the 6 teams that have qualified. Let's see whether we have an old timer doing somebody, a new face coming up, like we saw in French. Let's start round 1. Okay, round 1 is Hangman Asan. So we're still following the International Day of Yoga. I'll tell you how this works. Only talent, no temperament. So I've given a clue about that person. So press the buzzer and answer. That's how we play. Yeah, anybody in the audience wants to look? My God, only talent, no temperament. Rohit Sharma. Let's see. Okay. Audience, because this round also has buzzers, I want you to be extremely patient. You have your audience crossword in your hand. The questions will have the link to that. It will tell you 1A, 2A, 3A, 3D, whatever else. Just write down your answers accordingly. This is an individual game. Now you may not choose to remain a team, or you can choose to remain a team, just that you will have to share the rest audience time. That's fine. What's the first hangman? I'm looking for a person. Okay, I'm looking for a person. 6 letters, 5 letters. I'd request you to please switch off or put your phone on silent. Please. This is the hangman. You want to press the buzzer? Guess the person at this moment? Yeah? No. Good. Wise call. Quiz master is wise call. Okay, person 6 letters, 5 letters. Now first question is a direct question for team A. This is not on the buzzer. First question. This is from a May 17 Valencia versus Celta Vigo match. Why are the Valencia players wearing jerseys with their names written this way? So that number 9 gentleman in white, he has his name written this way. It's obviously unusual. Why? This is not on the buzzer. This is for team A. 6 points if they get it correct. Otherwise it passes. There's a 5 feet 10 inch manual clock standing here. I see you are not interested in answering this question. I will move on.
Some Indian company sponsored this match.
Some Indian company. Which company?
Reliance.
Reliance. Okay. Yes, passing on. Team B. Team C. Not trying? Oh, you're trying? Don't press the button. This is not on the button. Not on the button. You're going for that person. Okay, I will come to you. That's fine. I will give that to you. 15 minus that.
They wanted to show their sympathy with Nepal earthquake victims.
Okay, that's your answer. 1, 2, 3, 4. 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. They get plus 9. This is for Nepali earthquake victims. Alright, very good answer. Team D, you get 9. Please do not play the... Just stay here, stay here. Don't change it. Don't change it. Yeah, what is your answer? Team 6. Your answer is?
Gautam Adani.
Please give them minus 5. That was a very brave call. Okay, with Gautam Adani. Let's see where the N is placed. From his website, he is the very definition of the American success story. And N is the third letter of his first name. So, obviously not Gautam Adani. Team 3 has gone for it. 15 and minus 5.
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump, that's the answer. Plus 15, Team 3. Lovely answer. Very well worked out. This is Donald Trump currently standing for presidential elections 2016. This is what his website says. He's the very definition of the American success story. Okay, next question is a direct question for Team E. No more buzzers. Sitting in a bar with a few MBA students after a talk, Ray Kroc asked them, "What business am I in?" The students laughed and finally someone said, "Ray, who in the world doesn't know that you're in the hamburger business?" Ray chuckled, "That is what I thought you would say." He paused and then quickly said, "Ladies and gentlemen, I'm not in the hamburger business. My business is blank blank." 2 words. So now, you should ideally make sense with Donald Trump. Yeah? One, could be more.
Making happy.
My business is making happy. No. Team 6. Not trying? Not trying. Moving on, Team 1.
Selling dreams.
Selling dreams. Okay. Couldn't be selling dreams because S is not there in Donald Trump. So,
So it's real estate.
that's the answer I was looking for. It is real estate. Lovely answer. And as it happens, McDonald's is one of the largest owners of real estate in the world. They own the primest of properties in the world. Lovely answer. Team B, you get 9 points for that. Okay, next question is a direct question and we'll jump to Team C. Blank trading is the auspicious stock market trading for an hour on Diwali. It is symbolic and old ritual that has been retained and observed for ages. As Diwali also marks the beginning of the new year, it is believed that blank trading on this day brings in wealth and prosperity. The NSE held this year's session for 75 minutes. Same word, fill in the blank.
Muhurat trading.
Say that again.
Muhurat trading.
That's the answer. This is Muhurat trading. Very good answer. Direct question, direct answer. They get 6 points for that. Very good. Very good, Team C. Next question, direct question. Jump to Team D. Air Asia recently unveiled its 4th aircraft with a livery dedicated to J.R.D. Tata as a mark of respect What did it call it? What did it call it?
The Pioneer.
The Pioneer. That's the answer. It is the Pioneer. Very good. You get 6 points. Direct question, direct answer. Audience, 2A. Right. Let's see what the next hangman is. Now hangman starts again. Okay. Jump. Yeah. Okay. So I'm looking for a concept or principle. I'm looking for a concept or principle. Okay. Nobody going for it yet. 15 months time. This is on the buzzer. No. Okay. Team E, you're direct. This is your question now. Nickname, the Field of Jeans. This is the home stadium of the San Francisco 49ers. Which San Francisco based company bought the naming rights to this stadium in 2013?
Levi's.
Levi's, that's the answer. Another direct question, direct answer. 6 points to you for that one. Please give them a round of applause. That's the Levi's company, San Francisco 49ers, associated with them, the Levi's Stadium. Okay, we get an L from Levi's. I'll tell you where that is placed, along with a hint. Coined by Columbia University media law professor Tim Wu in 2003. Team 5 has gone for it. 15 points if you get it correct.
Net neutrality.
It's the answer. Net neutrality. That's the answer I was looking for. Very well worked out. Okay, this is closed. No more buzzers. Team 6, this is your direct. Who wrote this 1952 book? The central character in the book is the financial expert Margaya, who offers advice to his fellow townspeople from under his position at the bank.
R.K. Narayan.
R.K. Narayan, that's the answer. 6 points to you. So you get that into positives after collecting that initial negative. Direct question, direct answer. Team F, you get 6 points. Okay. 6 questions are done and we'll jump. And this is also 6D. Audience, 6D. Okay. So 6 questions are done. We'll go anti-clockwise. We'll start with team 6 again. And we'll go 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay? Yeah, let's jump to the 7th question. UB Center is an unusual Alabama attraction that sees over 1 million visitors every year. It goes by the tagline, "You'll never know what you'll find." Started in 1970. What is it the only one of its kind in USA? I mean, that's what the website also thinks. Team F. What is it the only one of its kind? UB Center. Passing to team E. No negative.
Is it some kind of a briefcase museum?
This is a briefcase
Museum.
No. Team D.
This is unclaimed luggages of various airlines which are auctioned off.
These are?
Unclaimed luggages.
That's the answer I was looking for. UB Center, unclaimed baggage center. The only one of its kind in USA. If you lose your luggage, after 3 months, the companies become legal owners of your luggage if you don't come and claim it, and then they eventually sell it off to UB Center, the unclaimed baggage center in Alabama. Lovely answer, Team D. You get 8 points for that. Very good. Okay, next question, direct question for Team C. Activists in groups like Human Rights Watch, PEN and Amnesty International, PEN featured earlier in this quiz, are using hashtag Baku 2015 to highlight the arrests of journalists and arbitrary detention of activists. This tag is causing a PR disaster. This hashtag is causing a PR disaster for what ongoing event? Maximum leverage? Lightly. One of the hashtags that are being used recently for, and it is this hashtag, hashtag Baku 2015, which these people are also using, has become a disaster for what ongoing event? What ongoing event as we speak?
European Games.
That's the answer. This is the European Games in Baku, Azerbaijan. Lovely answer. They're also using hashtag Baku 2015, and they've also sort of ambushed, marketed their hashtag Baku 2015. 6 points to you, Team C. Lovely. Okay. Another 4 questions done. Time for hangman. What am I looking for now? The third hangman. Yeah. It's an organization. I'm looking for an organization. 15 minus 5. I'm looking for an organization. 15 and minus 5. Direct question now for team B. This is yours. Watch the video, question follows. Slightly graphical ad, identify the advertiser. Team. Not trying? Fine. HP. HP. No. Email.
Cadbury, I think Cadbury Dairy Milk.
Cat. Okay, because that was Nestle Kit Kat, so Cadbury. Okay. Yeah. Xerox. No.
Dell.
Dell. Incorrect.
World Health Organization?
World. Who? No.
Nestle?
No, already gave Nestle there. Come on, we all. No. The right answer is Greenpeace. This is. Did you say Greenpeace? You weren't too audible. Are you an honest gentleman? Are you an honest gentleman? No, that's a very Sach ka samna question. Are you an honest gentleman? Please claim your prize. It is Greenpeace. Good answer. It is Greenpeace. I didn't hear it. Please come forward. Please claim your prize. I didn't hear it. I'm sorry, but you claim to be an honest gentleman. Honesty pays. See? Good. Well done. Alright, so this was Greenpeace campaigning against Nestle. Obviously, wasn't a Kit Kat. Okay, so from Greenpeace we get a G. I'll tell you where G is placed. 43,000 members, 81 branches, 27 divisions across the country. So already 15 minus 5. G is placed as the first letter of the third word. Yes, no, no one. So I. Okay, suddenly there's some activity happening. Maybe I should carry on. Okay, next question. Direct question for team A. Bono became a subject of controversy when he said, we are a tiny little country, we don't have scale, and our version of scale is to be... Okay, you are answering not this question, the hangman. Hold on. Okay? Version of scale is to be innovative and to be clever, and X has brought our country the only prosperity we've known. However, his country's government announced plans late last year to close X, the country's biggest loophole. Apparently under pressure from OECD, European Commission. What was he referring to, or what is X? Something that his country's government has decided to bring an end to late last year. Some sort of a loophole. No, this is for tax. Yeah.
Something to do with tax evasion.
Tax evasion. I'm looking for terms, I don't know what you're talking about. Yes. This is for team F now. First answer this. Let this be answered, then I'll come back to you for the puzzle. Passing. Okay. That's another blind shot, is it? Okay. Let's see. Yes. Trying, not trying.
Titanic Museum.
Okay. Titanic in a year I got to guess this one. Not again.
Does X have a facility of Switzerland?
Of Switzerland. Okay, and what is it called? I'm looking for the terms. Okay. Yes. I'm looking for terms. Not just a concept.
Google Tax.
Google Tax. Okay. Yours. You get this, you get 11. No? Okay. Passes to the audience. Irish guy, and the right answer is double Irish. So there's Dutch sandwich, there's double Irish. It's a tax evasion concept, but I was looking for the term. Double Irish. Don't reveal the next thing. What is your answer for the buzzer?
Shri Mahila Griha Udyog.
That's the answer. Shri Mahila Griha Udyog. Very good. You get 15 points for that one. First time didn't work out for them. Third time they're lucky. This was Team A's question. Nobody answered. Now it is for Team F. Your direct question. Here it comes. And this is 7D for the audience. Yeah, keep that in mind. 1978 launched as a tabloid. 1978 launched as a tabloid. 1980 changed to magazine format. 2006 tabloid format again dropped. Curve from its name. 2012 back to the magazine format, the new masthead. Which magazine's life has been discussed here? Which magazine's life is being discussed here?
Is it The Sun?
The Sun. No. Team E.
Sports Star.
Sports Star by the Hindu. That's the answer I was looking for. 7 points, Indian Oil. Lovely answer. So this is how they've kept on changing formats, kept on changing names, etc. etc. Right, good answer from Team E. Last question of the first round is for Team D. This is your direct. Celebrating approval of government contracts, these posters were released by an organization to promote tourism to what destination? Mars, as in the planet. And what is the organization involved in? SpaceX by Mars. Mars promotion or tourism posters by SpaceX. Very good answer. Team D, you get 6 points. We come to the end of the first round, and this is also 10 across for the audience. Okay? In your crossword, this is also 10 across. Right? Keep on doing that. Good answer. You get 6 points. While we take a look at the scores, we have a few audience questions. Let's take a look at the scores. Right, 29, 28, 27. That's the score at the moment. D, E and C are totally killing it in the first round. Team F not too far off. They probably got a negative. That is why they're at 16. Team B at 9 and Team A certainly can do better than this. So 29, 28, 27, 16, 9 and 0. Wow, this was far too closer than what I thought. Okay.